So in this tutorial, I want to talk to you about the free Canvas app that you can get for either iOS or Android. So here I'm on my iPhone, and I have the Canvas app. You'll notice here in the upper left corner, right underneath the icon for the App Store. If you're on Google Play, you're going to look for the same shape for that logo, the Canvas logo there, that's kind of the two circles, except instead of seeing a white icon on this kind of mixed colored background, you're going to instead see the entire icon has no background, and the icon itself will be an arrangement and an amalgamation of the colors that you see in the background here. So it's a little different, but just look for Canvas by Instructure if you're on Android. So let me show you what the Canvas app can actually do. I'm going to go ahead and tap it and open it up. When you first open the Canvas app, you're going to be prompted to log in with your school information. So you're going to enter college, and you should see college from the drop-down menu. You will tap on that, and you'll then be prompted to log in to Cougar Web. So you're going to enter your login credentials here. And when you're done entering your login credentials, you'll simply click Login. Now it's going to ask you if you'd like to authorize the app. I always check Remember Authorization, and I authorize because then I no longer have to use Cougar Web to log in, and I will always have access to the app. So here is that course that I was working on as an instructor and as a student. All right, so I've opened up the app. All of your courses, at least available courses, are going to appear on this courses page. And you'll notice along the bottom of the app I have all of these different icons: courses, calendar, to-do, notifications, and messages. So if I want to see all of my courses, I'll stay on the Courses tab here, and I can actually tap into this course if I want to. And you'll notice I get my navigation bar, so I can check out my grades if I want to check out my grades here. Okay. Tap on a particular icon, and it gives you details pertaining to that icon if you've submitted. And you can also check out your potential grade on this. Additionally, you can check out the syllabus page. There it is, showing you what's coming up in the future, along with things that have no due date. If your instructor has built out modules, you can check out those modules. You can go to Settings, which unfortunately is not currently supported. You'd have to go to Safari. But that's essentially what you can do in those courses. You've also got these icons at the base of a course that allow you quick access to certain features of that course. Right? If you don't see those icons, it means your instructor has restricted access to those particular features of that course. And some instructors might do that, just to let you know. They might want you to move through the course in a particular manner, so you might not always see those icons. All right, so what else do we have here in the Canvas app? Well, I want to first talk to you about groups. So at the top there, you'll notice it says Courses and Groups. If I tap on Groups, right now I have a white screen. But if I tap the gear or cog in the upper right corner, I can actually choose to show or hide any groups that I'm a member of. So here I'm in this group discussion. I'm going to choose it, say Done, and now it appears on my Groups section. So if your instructor's created groups, you might want to add those groups to the Canvas app. So that's the Courses panel. Let's look at the other panels that are down here at the bottom. Let's go to the Calendar panel. So the calendar in Canvas is really awesome. It allows you to kind of take a quick glance across all your courses, just like you can do in the desktop version. And you'll notice I have an assignment due. That assignment I created, the example assignment on the 23rd, it appears as this circle on the calendar, and the red circle on that circle lets me know which course it belongs to. So you're going to have a single gray circle, and then any particular courses where you have assignments due, they're going to have their own respective colored circle. So if I had more than one assignment due across multiple courses, I might see multiple dots on this gray circle on the 23rd there. But I only have this one assignment, so I can see it there. Okay. And if I want to, I can tap on it, and it takes me to the assignment page, okay, where I can actually check out the different details pertaining to this assignment. And if I click on the alarm clock in the upper right corner, that's going to allow me to schedule a notification related to that assignment. So if that assignment is due, let's say, in a day, then I might want to set myself a 1-hour notification so that I will be notified reminding me, hey, you need to work on that assignment. While we're talking about due dates and what's expected of you for your courses, let's talk about the to-do list. The to-do list in Canvas is going to give you a preview of upcoming assignments. Now, typically it only does them within about a week's time, which is why you'll notice that example assignment is not on here, because currently it's not 11:59 p.m. of today, so I have a little over a week to get that assignment done. But once we get past that 7-day window, we're now below 7 days, I'll see that assignment pop up here on the to-do list. So your to-do list is a great way to stay on top of everything you have due within the next week across all of your Canvas courses. Notifications is exactly what it sounds like. Any notifications related to courses that you've received are going to show up here. So I've got all these notifications. I could tap on one and just check it out. And then finally, messages is tied to your Canvas inbox. You can actually create messages here using the edit message or compose icon in the top. So I can compose right there, create a new message. I can even attach files to it. You can edit your messages, choosing to archive them or move them if you need to. And it's just a great way to stay on top of all the communications that you have going to you via your various Canvas courses. Now, just to let you know, the Android app is going to look slightly different from the iOS app, but they're going to function in relatively the same manners. And that is the free Canvas app that can help you to stay on top of your Canvas courses.